Can a TSP to Gold IRA rollover beat inflation? Rising inflation continues to be a pressing concern for retirees. While the Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, has long provided federal employees and service members with solid retirement savings options, its heavy reliance on stocks and bonds leaves portfolios exposed when the dollar weakens. This is why many are asking whether a TSP to Gold IRA rollover can help protect their wealth against inflation's corrosive effects. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key reasons a TSP to Gold IRA rollover may help beat inflation. 1. Inflation hedge. Gold has historically held its value during inflationary periods. Unlike paper currency, it cannot be printed or devalued. When prices rise and the dollar loses strength, gold often climbs, helping preserve purchasing power. 2. Diversification benefits. A TSP limits investors to traditional markets. Rolling over to a Gold IRA adds tangible assets, reducing reliance on equities and bonds. This diversification creates balance and shields retirement accounts from single market downturns. 3. Crisis protection. Global instability, geopolitical conflict, or unexpected market shocks often drive investors toward safe haven assets. Gold typically rallies during such times, providing retirees with an extra layer of protection. 4. Long-term security. While gold does not generate income like dividends or interest, its scarcity and universal value make it a dependable long-term store of wealth. For retirees seeking stability, this can be a strong complement to existing TSP holdings. Considerations before rolling over. A TSP to Gold IRA rollover is not without costs. Custodial fees, storage expenses, and the absence of regular income should be weighed. Gold should serve as a hedge, not a complete replacement for traditional investments. Inflation remains a challenge, threatening to erode retirement savings. By considering a TSP to Gold IRA rollover, investors gain access to a proven inflation hedge, greater diversification, and enhanced crisis protection. While not a cure-all, it is a practical step to strengthen retirement security and protect wealth in uncertain times. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.